The Amish people choose a life centered on family, community, and faith, building their days around shared values and meaningful connections. They deliberately avoid much of modern technology, believing that a slower pace allows them to focus on what truly matters. Their homes lack public electricity, televisions, and cars, not out of fear of progress, but to protect their values and keep families close. This conscious separation from the outside world helps preserve their unique way of life. Modern conveniences, they believe, can distract from what truly matters: time with loved ones, and working together. Every day, they find joy in simple routines and shared responsibilities. This lifestyle is a conscious decision, passed down through generations, shaping the character and spirit of each new family member. Amish homes reflect this simplicity. No electrical wires, no central heating, just practical, self-sufficient design. Every detail is intentional, supporting a life of purpose and humility. Daily routines, from farming with horses to lighting lanterns, require hard work and traditional skills. These tasks connect them to the land and to each other. Their richness comes from relationships and faith, not possessions. Community gatherings and shared prayers are at the heart of their happiness. One striking example is how they keep warm in harsh winters, especially in places like Pennsylvania and Ohio, where temperatures can drop dramatically. While most turn up a thermostat, the Amish rely on time-tested, off-grid methods, using skills passed down through generations. Heating is a family effort, using natural resources and careful planning. Everyone, young and old, plays a part in preparing for the cold months. It's not just about comfort, it's about reinforcing their beliefs in simplicity and cooperation. The warmth of the fire is a symbol of their unity. In this video, we'll explore Amish heating, the tools, the traditions, and the reasons behind their choices, revealing how these practices shape daily life. We'll see how a wood stove becomes the heart of the home and how preparing for winter brings families together in a spirit of cooperation and care. This is a story of resilience, tradition, and the gentle glow of a fire that warms both body and soul, reminding us of the beauty found in a simpler way of life. The Amish avoid the public power grid as part of their core beliefs, guided by the Ordnung, their community's unwritten rules. These guidelines shape nearly every aspect of daily life, from the clothes they wear to the way they heat their homes. Connecting to outside utilities would tie them to values they wish to remain separate from. The grid represents not just convenience, but a connection to a world whose priorities often clash with their own. Relying on gas or electric heating means depending on outside companies, which goes against their principles of self-sufficiency. Instead, they choose methods that keep them in control of their own resources and daily needs. Modern heating systems can isolate family members, each in their own warm room, while the Amish prefer a central heat source that brings everyone together. The warmth of the stove becomes the heart of the home, encouraging shared time and conversation. Simplicity is key. Wood stoves are practical, teachable, and maintainable by hand. No digital controls or specialized technicians needed. Anyone in the family can learn to use and care for them, reinforcing a sense of responsibility and skill. Skills are passed down, ensuring each generation can provide for itself. Chopping wood and tending the fire become opportunities for teaching, bonding, and working together as a family. Avoiding the grid also keeps out temptations like television and the internet, which could weaken their traditions. Without these distractions, families focus on faith, work, and each other. By refusing modern heating, the Amish draw a clear line to preserve their way of life. This choice is a daily reminder of their commitment to separation from the outside world. Their choice is about more than warmth. It's a commitment to faith, family, and community. Every fire lit is a reaffirmation of what matters most to them. The stove is a symbol of independence and togetherness. It stands at the center of Amish life, both literally and figuratively. Every aspect of their heating reflects a larger philosophy of intentional living. Each task, from splitting wood to tending the fire, is done with purpose and care. For the Amish, the way they heat their homes is inseparable from the way they live. Their daily routines are shaped by these choices, reinforcing their values at every turn. It's a daily act of devotion to their values, a quiet but powerful statement of who they are and what they believe. The wood stove is the heart of most Amish homes, large, sturdy, and built for efficiency. It's not just a piece of furniture but a vital part of daily life, relied upon through every season. Placed centrally, it spreads warmth where the family gathers most, often in the kitchen or main room. The stove's gentle heat draws everyone together, especially on cold mornings and long winter nights. The stove is more than a heater. It's for drying mittens, heating water, and cooking meals. Its surface is always in use, whether for simmering a stew or keeping bread warm for supper. In some areas, coal stoves are used for their longer, hotter burn, especially during the coldest months. Coal can keep a home warm through the night, making it a practical choice in harsh climates. The choice between wood and coal depends on local resources and family tradition. Some families have easy access to timber, while others rely on coal deliveries to see them through winter. These stoves are simple, durable, and easy to maintain. No electronics, just dampers and doors. Their design has changed little over generations, a testament to their reliability. The flat top is used for simmering soup, warming coffee, or baking potatoes. It's a practical workspace, always ready for whatever the day brings. Mastery of the stove is a point of pride, passed from parent to child. Children learn early how to tend the fire, adjust the damper, and use the stove safely. The stove's reliability and simplicity embody Amish values: efficiency, self-reliance, and making the most of what you have. It's a daily reminder of the rewards of hard work and careful stewardship. It's a multi-purpose tool, central to daily life and family routine. From morning coffee to evening warmth, the stove is always at the center of activity. Repairs are handled with basic tools and know-how. Most fixes are done at home, keeping the stove running smoothly year after year. The stove's presence is constant, its warmth a daily reward for hard work. Its glow is a comfort, especially when the world outside is cold and dark. It's a symbol of providing for one's family, season after season, a quiet, steady companion through the rhythms of Amish life. Some Amish homes, especially older ones, have a fireplace alongside the stove. Fireplaces offer direct, radiant heat and a comforting atmosphere, though they're less efficient than stoves. Often used as a secondary heat source, the fireplace becomes a social hub, especially on cold evenings or after church. Families gather around the hearth to read, talk, or sing, enjoying the simple pleasure of a crackling fire. Building and maintaining a fireplace requires skill, and Amish craftsmanship ensures safety and durability. Regular chimney cleaning is a family task, passed down through generations. The fireplace connects the Amish to their ancestors and a time before modern conveniences. It's a symbol of shared experience and tradition. While stoves are practical, the fireplace warms both the room and the heart. Heating an Amish home starts with gathering firewood, often a family effort in the woods. Men and boys felled trees with axes or saws, respecting the land and taking only what's needed. Logs are split by hand, then stacked in cords to season for months before use. A well-stacked woodpile is a sign of preparation and hard work. As winter nears, seasoned wood is moved closer to the house for easy access. Children help carry wood inside, learning responsibility early. For coal users, fuel is delivered and stored in sturdy bins, ready for daily use. Shoveling coal or carrying wood is a daily winter chore. Securing fuel is labor-intensive, a reminder that warmth comes from planning and effort. The process teaches foresight, diligence, and cooperation. Every log burned is the result of family teamwork. The woodpile is more than fuel, it's a symbol of readiness and resilience. Comfort is earned, not taken for granted. Using fire for heat demands constant vigilance and respect for safety. Amish children learn early never play near the stove or touch hot surfaces. The area around the stove is kept clear, and floors are protected with non-combustible pads. Regular maintenance is crucial. Chimneys and stovepipes are cleaned often to prevent dangerous creosote buildup. Men handle this dirty but essential job, ensuring safe operation. Proper ventilation is understood. Signs of smoke or poor airflow are taken seriously. Some communities allow battery-powered smoke and carbon monoxide detectors for added safety. Safety is a community effort. Neighbors check on each other, and many Amish have volunteer fire companies or ties to local departments. Personal responsibility, family education, and community support create a strong safety culture. The fire's warmth is cherished, but its risks are never ignored. Tradition and caution go hand in hand. This balance allows the Amish to use open flames confidently and safely. In Amish homes, the wood stove draws everyone together, unlike central heating that lets people scatter to separate rooms. The living room or kitchen becomes the center of activity on cold nights. Parents read, mend, or knit. Children play, study, or listen to stories, all near the stove. This closeness fosters conversation and strengthens bonds. Daily rituals, starting the fire, adding logs, are shared responsibilities. Traditions are passed down in this warm space: stories, songs, and faith. Children learn by example, absorbing values through everyday life. The stove's warmth creates togetherness, countering the isolation of modern life. Unlike homes centered on screens, the Amish home centers on shared experience. The act of staying warm becomes a tool for building family unity. The stove is more than heat, it's the heart of the home. Here, family is truly together. Amish heating and modern systems are worlds apart. Modern heating is effortless, just a button press and every room is warm. There's no daily labor, no wood to chop, no ashes to clean. Amish heating is hands-on, planning, hard work, and constant attention to the fire. Warmth is uneven, so families adapt with layers and quilts. The satisfaction comes from providing warmth through their own effort. Environmentally, both have impacts, but sustainable wood burning can be carbon neutral. The Amish focus on local resources and minimal consumption, reducing their footprint. The biggest difference is connection. Most buy heat from a company, but the Amish create it themselves. This fosters independence, gratitude, and self-reliance. Modern comfort is easy, but Amish warmth is earned and deeply meaningful. Their way offers a richness rooted in tradition and family. Amish heating is a reflection of their beliefs: simplicity, self-sufficiency, and family unity. The wood stove is more than an appliance, it's the heart of the home and a teacher of responsibility. The work involved is meaningful, connecting family to nature and to each other. This hands-on approach builds skills, character, and cooperation. While modern systems offer convenience, the Amish remind us of the value in providing for ourselves. Their example encourages us to appreciate our own warmth and to create spaces for real connection. The glow of an Amish fire is a quiet lesson in what truly matters: family, honest work, and purposeful living. Sometimes the simplest warmth is the richest of all.